Welcome to TechMania, where we explore the latest gadgets, smart technology, and products that help you make better buying decisions. If you use two computers with multiple monitors and want to control everything from one keyboard and mouse, you might be wondering if the AV Access KVM Switch for 3 monitors and 2 computers is actually worth buying. Can it really handle 8K at 60 Hz? What does its 100W USB-C laptop charging mean in daily use? And how useful are the built-in Ethernet, SD card, and 10 gigabits per second connectivity options? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, discounts, and availability. This AV Access KVM combines a KVM switch and docking station into one setup, allowing you to connect 2 computers to up to 3 displays and switch control between them. Its headline video specification is support for up to 8K at 60 Hz, while compatible displays can also run at up to 4K at 165 Hz or 144 Hz, depending on the connection and system configuration. The use of DisplayPort 2.0 and HDMI 2.1 gives the system high bandwidth video connectivity for modern monitors, gaming displays, and high-resolution screens. In practical terms, this means you can build a workstation with multiple high-resolution monitors while keeping 2 computers connected at the same time. For example, you could have a gaming PC and work laptop sharing the same 3-monitor setup, then switch between them without reconnecting every peripheral manually. The 100W USB-C power delivery also allows a compatible laptop to receive substantial charging power through the dock, reducing cable clutter on your desk. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to give the video a quick like. It really helps the channel. The connectivity is where this KVM becomes especially useful for advanced desktop setups. Alongside its high bandwidth video outputs, it provides 10 gigabits per second USB connectivity, allowing fast external storage and peripherals to communicate with compatible systems. The built-in Gigabit Ethernet gives laptops and desktops a wired network connection through the docking station, which can be particularly useful for laptops that don't have a full-size Ethernet port. There's also an SD card reader, making the setup especially attractive for photographers, videographers, and content creators who regularly move files from cameras and memory cards. A wired controller connection adds another convenient option for gaming setups, while the KVM functionality lets your keyboard, mouse, USB accessories, and connected displays move between the 2 computers through a single switching workflow. Compared with a traditional KVM that focuses mainly on keyboard, mouse, and display switching, this system combines those functions with a much broader docking station feature set. Compared with using separate docks for each computer, a centralized KVM setup can simplify the workspace and reduce cable changes. And compared with connecting every monitor and accessory individually whenever you switch computers, a KVM allows the same desk hardware to serve both systems. The high refresh rate support is particularly useful for gamers, while the triple monitor configuration is valuable for productivity, trading, video editing, programming, and multitasking. With 8K 60 Hz support and 4K up to 165 Hz per 144 Hz, it also provides plenty of bandwidth for demanding modern displays when the connected computer, cables, and monitors support the required standards. The AV Access 3-monitor 2-computer KVM docking station is ultimately designed for users who want one highly connected workstation shared between 2 computers. Its key specifications include 3-monitor support, 2-computer KVM switching, up to 8K at 60 Hz, for K at up to 165 Hz per 144 Hz, 100W USB-C laptop charging, DisplayPort 2.0, HDMI 2.1, 10 gigabits per second USB ports, Gigabit Ethernet, SD card connectivity, and wired controller support. In everyday use, that combination means you can build a powerful dual computer workstation while keeping your monitors, keyboard, mouse, network connection, storage devices, memory cards, and other peripherals centralized. For creators, the SD card reader and fast USB connectivity make moving media files more convenient. For gamers, the high refresh rate support allows compatible displays to operate at up to 4K 165 Hz. And for professionals, the 3-monitor configuration provides a large amount of screen space for multitasking. If you've been searching for the AV Access KVM review, Best 3-monitor KVM Switch, KVM for 2 computers and 3 monitors, 8K 60 Hz KVM Switch, USB-C KVM docking station, 100W laptop charging dock, or Best KVM for gaming and productivity, this model brings high-resolution display support and extensive docking features into one centralized workstation solution. Whether you're switching between a desktop and laptop, running a dual PC setup, or building a professional multi-monitor workspace, the AV Access KVM provides a convenient way to keep everything connected and switch between systems with far less cable management. Thanks for watching TechMania. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and buying guides, and I'll see you in the next video.